Have you heard of natto, the Japanese superfood? It has been hailed as a secret to the Japanese longevity. In the year 2020, there were more than 80,000 people in Japan older than 100 years. Their high natto consumption has been linked to the Japanese population's longer than average lifespans and lower chronic disease rates. Natto is made from whole soybeans that have been fermented with Bacillus subtilis. In Japan, it is served as a breakfast food with rice. Natto kinase is a natural enzyme that is produced during the fermentation process. The natural natto can be dried and sold as a supplement. Natto kinase is sometimes extracted and sold separately. Because natto is a fermented food, it is also a good probiotic. It is more resistant to the highly acidic gastric fluids in the stomach than other probiotics, and it is easily absorbed in the later sections of the digestive tract. Natto is also the food with the highest concentration of natural vitamin K2, which is required for bone formation and bone health. Natto kinase has been proven to be a safe, powerful, low-cost natural supplement for the treatment of heart and cardiovascular disease. Natto kinase has a strong ability to break down thrombin and fibrin, therefore preventing blood clots. The effects of natto kinase are similar to the well-known blood thinner, aspirin. But unlike aspirin, which often triggers bleeding and gastric ulcers, natto kinase improves the blood flow without any adverse effects, and it improves male fertility. It contains fiber and abundant probiotics, which contribute to healthy gut flora. It strengthens the immune system. It is rich in vitamin C and several minerals. Natto promotes brain health. It protects against certain types of cancer. It boosts metabolism and reduces body fat. Natto is effective against ongoing inflammation in the sinuses. It is effective for allergies, bacteria, fungal infections, and even asthma. I want to tell you about 2 case studies. The first one is about a man from Centurion who was very sick with a well-known 2019 virus. He was very sick and his lung x-rays showed large spots. He then started using natto. He fully recovered and his x-rays taken 3 months later showed no spots. Then there is Bruce Fordyce. He is a well-known South African marathon and ultramarathon athlete. He is best known for having won the 90-kilometer-long South African Comrades Marathon 9 times. He also won the London Ultramarathon 3 years in a row. Bruce was super healthy throughout his life, but things changed in 2020 when he had 2 injections. A few months later, he had an incident while running. He struggled to breathe and he was in severe pain. He tells about a long story trying to get his health back. He finally discovered natto kinase, which he now takes with bromelain and a few other things. Since then, he has fully recovered and he has no trouble running. Here are the answers to some questions. Question 1. Can natto make my blood too thin or my blood pressure too low, such as prescription products? Answer. No. Natto is a natural food. Prescription products are chemicals designed to change the chemical balance in the body. The human body knows how to process foods, but it does not know how to process chemicals. You cannot overdose on natural foods, such as apples. If you eat too many apples, the body will simply excrete the excess. If you drink too much of a prescription product, that chemical reaction will still take place. There is no way to stop that chemical reaction once the prescription drug is in the body. Because natto is a natural food, it is difficult to overdose. Remember, the Japanese eat this for breakfast. Prescription products can have side effects, and it is possible to overdose. If you take natto with a prescription drug, it is possible that the natto can correct the error in the body, making the prescription products unnecessary. If you drink the prescription products with the natto, you may have overdose symptoms. Question. Natto is fermented soy. Using soy is associated with the fear that it may cause breast cancer, male infertility, thyroid problems, and dementia. Answer. There is a huge difference between fermented soy and unfermented soy. The Japanese nearly always consume fermented soy. Natto is fermented soy. I hope all of your questions about natto have been answered. Thank you for watching. I sincerely appreciate your time. Please help us to grow this channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Also share the video with your family and your friends. My name is Anna.